What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a 2003 RM125 two-stroke. Picked it up a couple days ago, maybe like a week or two, not really sure how long ago. Overall body's kind of clean. Exhaust is all banged up, welded right there. Has a crack right there. Not sure if you can see that if it focuses. I think there it is. Forks leak like all 125s pretty much. And yeah, we're gonna give this bike a full makeover and hopefully it looks a little nicer. What we're gonna do just to start off is probably get a rag with the gas on it to get all this junk off. This is old graphics that he took off before me. Then we'll go around. The engine's everything pretty clean, honestly. For an 03, it's about as clean as my 15 125. So we'll just go through. Everything's already washed. I washed it one time because I went riding and it got super muddy in my backyard. But yeah, we're gonna change out the seat cover. We're gonna take off these graphics, wash that up real nice. Get it. We have a brand new pipe coming in. Not brand new. New used pipe, pretty much. It's a Pro Circuit pipe. We have to clean the forks out because they leak a little. I have the new front brake line guide thingy that should be coming in right here. And what else does this thing need? You put brand new grips and chain, or not chain, sprocket. And that's pretty much all this bike needs. It needs a kill switch fixed. I'm not sure what's up with that. We'll have to fix that one way. And yeah, oh, and then we'll put graphics on it. So off you guys go to the time lapse, maybe, probably not, because you guys won't even be able to see anything on a time lapse. I'll just do this all by myself, and then you guys can, I'll show you guys a little later. This might be just one series, not even one series, one episode series, and just get it, flip it, and get some more bikes. So yeah, stay tuned. Well, taking the seat off, notice that the air filter's a little crusty, so we'll get us some gas and we'll rinse that air filter out and then oil her back up. But so far, progress. So on this side, we washed that up real nicely. Opposed to the other side, which is still crusty. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, now that we got the plastics all cleaned up, we're gonna get the heat gun, heat up these side panels, or not side panels, airbox, little plastic thingamajiggers, who knows in the world what they're called. Heat those up. They should peel off pretty nicely. As you can see, if you peel it off like that, it's gonna leave some of the gooey stuff behind. Once you heat it up, it'll take most of it with it. We'll clean up the exhaust pipe, stuff that's hard to reach, and then we'll put on some graphics and a seat cover. And right now I've got the air filter soaking in this completely disgusting water. You can't even see my fingers, and that's in gas. So that just shows how dirty that thing was. But yeah, we'll oil her up after this and put her in. So yeah. All right, so I got all the stickers and everything off the bike. I'm gonna leave those because they don't look too bad. I'll take off the rider's name, and yeah. So now we're gonna throw on some factory effects graphics, 2005 restyle. We'll see how this turns out. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, let's see this. Alrighty guys, actually got the graphics on. I'm sorry the time lapse went out. Somehow I ran out of storage. I'm gonna need a new phone soon, probably. 64 gigs isn't gonna cut it. So pretty much I got these on. I still need to do the other side, so I deleted some videos off the RM125 video that I just posted, so I didn't really need them anymore. And so Now let's flip the bike over to the other side and we'll put those on. Alrighty guys, so we got the graphics on. This side looks real good. This side also looks pretty good. The reason that we went back inside is because it's pouring. So yeah, got the air filter out. It's a little bit more clean, but it like expanded a lot. So I need to let that dry out. Now we're gonna go over to the seat cover. This one just looks super ugly to me. That's the only reason I changed it. So yeah, pretty much I'm gonna take out all these staples and then put the new one on. So yep, that's about it. Alrighty guys, so we got the seat cover done. We got those kind of cleaned up. Still gonna clean up the outsides. Just took off the graphics. And we got the air filter a little bit cleaner. We're about to oil her up and throw her in the bike. Next clip will be the bike finish. Alrighty guys, so the RM125 is cosmetically looking the way it's gonna look. We still got the exhaust pipe to fix and fix the forks. Other than that, the bike is complete. So yeah, next clip should be new exhaust pipe, most likely. Alrighty guys, next day, we got the exhaust pipe in here. I might have to clean her up a little. It was a little rusty. Got it off eBay for $100, pretty cheap. Cleaned out the forks so those don't leak anymore. And yeah, we just need to replace this pipe and she should be good. Shouldn't be any dents. I don't really care if there was any dents. So yeah, I have the pipe dent removal tool. So let's get this out of the box. Alrighty guys, so here it is. It's a Pro Circuit, Pro Series, Platinum. I think that's what it is. She's a little crusty, as you can tell. I feel tiny dents right there. That's nothing. I'll get those out probably another day. And then one tiny dent on the bottom. That's nothing for a two-stroke. A little crusty over there, so we'll probably figure that out. Probably means this seal is leaking, so I have a good one in that one. And yeah, let's get the rust off of it with a little Scotch-Brite pad. Probably won't get a video of that. And then throw her on the bike. Here's the crusty pipe. Here's the somewhat crusty pipe. Kind of cleaned her up, gave her a nice finish, kind of ish. Not really. She'll look a little better, hopefully. Hey guys, so we got the pipe on. Fit on pretty easily. Doesn't look too bad. Here's gonna be a cold start on the 125. Let's see how she starts up. Yeah, kill switch doesn't work, so that's the only way to kill it, pretty much. Might take her around the yard to see if there's any power gain or loss. And yeah, I'll be right back in a minute. Alrighty guys, so I took her for a spin. Everything works good. Hits the power band nice and strong. Idle's good. Everything's good on the bike. Doesn't leak any gas out of the overflow. And yeah, this was just like a little 1 series build. Didn't take too long or nothing. All we did was seat cover, clean up the plastics, graphics, and oh, I forgot. We haven't put the front brake guide on yet. I don't even know if that's came in the mail. I'll check. I'll still put it on before I sell the bike. But that's the only thing we haven't put on yet. So yeah, this bike's finished. So I'll tell you guys kind of how much I paid for it. not gonna post it till after I sell it, obviously. But I paid $1,300 for the bike, 2003 RM125, $100 for the pipe, $30 for, it was $25 for the seat cover, $35 for the graphics, $10 from the front brake guide. And so it turned out the entire 125 under $1,500. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos of me just doing quick, easy flips like this, leave a like, comment down below, let me know what other kind of bikes you guys want me to get. And yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.